similar to the last video. I feel like it'd be cool to have like a title like here next to her head or something in the empty space. As well as when she's listening to things, I think it could go split screen and have like a text form of what she's saying, just so that there's something else to look at besides the instructor. Just so the students can follow along. I haven't checked, but I feel like it'd be useful to link this textbook in one of the opening things. Hello.
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 She put it.
We're watching your mom.
June 5th. Today is June 5th.
Yes. Alright.
Number 3.
Go ahead. Okay. That's good. That's pretty clear. Not necessarily in this video, but I feel like for one of the welcome pages there could be a calendar indicating when specific things are due.
Moodle. Look, there's 2 one. Look, there's
Upon successful completion of this course, students will be able to access, develop, create, and generate a vision for a dental hygiene clinic. Create and execute marketing and communication plan for clinic. I wonder if everything needs to be capitalized because this is a sentence instead of a title. Create and execute marketing and communication plan for clinic. Because like some of them have like the little connecting words like generate a vision, but there's some of the sentences neglect like execute a marketing and communication plan for the clinic. I think it should be more what's the word starts with a C, I think. I don't remember. Similar. They need to be more similar. Create and execute business plan for clinic. Create and execute management plan for clinic. Plan, develop, and create. Plan and create and apply. Comma? Good communication skills to share an oral F presentation describing clinic. In March 2020, the College of Dental Hygienists at BC instituted a new registration category called Dental Hygiene Practitioner. Currently, dental hygiene practitioners can now be the primary owner and operators of private dental clinic practices. I feel like if this is a title, it should either be italicized or put in quotes, because then when you look at this, it kind of looks funny that it's not capitalized. With institution of the new bylaw and the new registration category, barriers to standalone dental hygiene clinics no longer exist. Many hygienists are now realizing with this new classification they can now set up their own practice. This novel idea is in its infancy and there's limited information and more questions than answers for most of the dental hygiene community. This course will give hygienists the information and direction they need to realize their dream of business ownership. This course provides the knowledge and skills to design and implement a comprehensive strategy for dental hygienists to assess, develop, plan, implement, and evaluate the design of their own dental hygiene clinic. I don't know if I would call this a course description, as more of a course background. But that was good information. Course topics. The setting up and operating your dental hygiene clinic course, is that capitalized or not, will include the following. I don't know if you need to say the first, the second, the third, as opposed to just number it instead of bullet point it. The first is the define your business concept and create your vision for your practice. Is that the title? If it's the title of something, I feel like it could be more concise. The business concept content will include identifying the ideal client, business concept, business structure, desired location, and time frame for opening. I feel like this part can be put in bullet points instead of being read like that. It could be just like listed out. Boom, 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 boom. The second is to create a marketing and communication plan to achieve your small business goals. This course content would include what you will need to market your business. I don't know if this is necessarily needed, but maybe like some examples of what you need, or like what you're going to do, like, I don't know, like advertisement, stuff like that. The third is to create a business plan with the course content consisting of how to finance the business, startup costs, and budget creation. Like same thing as before, you can just boom, 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 list it out. Like enter tab. The fourth is to include a management plan for operations of the clinic. The management and operations component will include creating a list of important experts. For what? Choosing software for operations, account and charting, business and IPN license, leasing/buying space, equipment, and tools. Delivery material will be by instructor training. What does that mean? And the use of online research, podcasts/videos highlighting business startups. The course needs to give hygienists the details and tools to start their practice. The course needs to include video of entrepreneurs who have opened up their own clinic or other businesses and who could field questions for students. Is it and or just who could field questions for students? I don't know if there's other ways to phrase it, but there's all like the course, or just like one following the other so it's noticeable. The fifth is to generate an effective oral presentation to communicate your business idea for a clinic to an audience. It will include how to organize your thoughts with a strong opening, define your terms, and end with a bang. PowerPoint should be included in the presentation. Course evaluation plan. Vision statement for dental hygiene clinic and rationale. Create business plan for clinic and rationale. Create a communication plan for clinic and rationale. Create a management plan for the clinic and rationale. Oral presentation defining your business idea for the clinic. I know it's a given, but I feel like if you put like out of 100 at the bottom, it like really solidifies. Or like you can make it a table, and then you can like 20, 20, 20, 20, 20 at the bottom with no like thing there. You can just like 100. Also, I don't know if it's available for this online platform that you're using, but like maybe if you like click into the different things, it can take you to like a rubric of specifically what the instructor is looking for. Like, oh, to get 20 out of 20, you need like different sections. If you want a section could be like grammar and spelling, it can be like 10 out of 10 would be like little to no grammatical errors, stuff like that. Set up communication Word document, Zoom meeting link, instructor email, required text. Whether it is, I think I mentioned this before. That would be useful to have. And I know it just says it right now, But I'm hoping that like that actually means like what it is. Okay, yeah, that's good. Module 1, week 2. I do module 1 as well, right?
Yeah.
Let's talk about chapter 1.
Mom, that's Daddy. That's your shoes, Mama. That's Daddy. Daddy, sit down here. Daddy, sit down here. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I think that one was good. It didn't necessarily need any titles or anything. I felt like just verbal communication was good with that one. Assignment 1.
Let's talk about assignment.
I feel like this one could have the points.
My sister's here. Sissy. Daddy. Daddy. Honey.
I feel like that one is a little bit hard to have text on the screen. I just think that the module itself should include a rubric.
Good night, Dee Dee. Good night, Papa. No? Yeah, Papa.
Assignment 1, develop and create a vision for your dental hygiene clinic. Assignment 1, vision 20%. Awesome. Love the percent displayed. Assignment description, part 1, vision for your dental clinic, 10%. Creative vision for your own dental hygiene clinic. Part 2, rationale report, 10%. Provide a rationale for the design and explanation of each point. Explain your thinking and your decisions for the design, implementation, and analysis. Address all the guiding questions in writing up the rationale. Guiding questions. Are the guiding questions for both sections or just part 2? If it's just for part 2, I feel like part 1 could include a little bit more because, like, obviously